Hi everyone, TechSphere here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert your SIM card into your Google Pixel 5 smartphone. This phone does use a nano SIM card, but you can also use an eSIM if you set that up through the settings application on your phone. But otherwise, you're going to want to get the little SIM ejection tool that you can find in your paperwork, or you can use a tool from another phone or something like a paperclip or an earring to get this open. And then you're going to go to the left side of your phone where you will see a little tray with a small hole, and you're going to eject the SIM card tray using a little bit of force with that tool in that little hole. Once you have it out, you're going to pull the tab out completely, and then you're going to put your SIM card in. For me, it was face down, and you line it up with the diagonal on the top right of the SIM card tray. Once it's in and it's flush, you go ahead and reverse the process, putting the SIM card tray back into your phone, and you should be good to go, and your carrier status should update within a few seconds. You might have to restart it if it doesn't work, and you can always check out the settings for more information in the cellular option. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and don't forget to leave this video a like. Thanks for watching.